the screen? What you have seen in the screen with the chat, reply me. Boy is sleeping. Okay, boy is sleeping. After sleeping and before wake up, after sleeping, what kind of activity we are doing? What kind of things is going on in our mind? Okay, child is sleeping. Okay, nothing activity. Okay, or else what you have seen after sleeping? Okay, very good. All right, all right. We are dreaming dreams. All right. After sleeping, we are seeing a dreams. All right. Look at this picture. If you see this picture, that in a first picture, what is seen in the first picture? What is seen in the first picture? Okay, young man, egg seller. Very good, Arohi. He's an egg seller. Okay. And in the second picture, what happened? Just tell me, second picture, what happened? What happened in a second picture with this man? He falling down. Very good, Avnish. He's falling down. Can you tell me why he's falling down? In a first picture, that man is carry the egg and he's walking, but suddenly he's falling down. Why? Look at the picture carefully and answer me. Because he is daydreaming. Okay. I want some else answer also. Because he was dreaming. And what was the dreaming, or what was his dreaming? Okay, fine. You people are saying he was dream. But what he was thinking? Dreaming about the egg. Yes, dreaming about the chicken, chicks. Yes. So students, in the first picture, what is given here? That the man, he's carried the egg. And then after he started thinking something, when he started thinking something, in a next step, he's fell down. Why? Why he's fell down? What do you think? Why he's fell down? Because he's thinking. Yes, because he's thinking, he distract from his work. Okay, he's not pay attention to what his work, and then after he thinking, just because he is daydreaming. So student, our next new lesson, that is a daydreaming. When we are at night, when we are goes for a sleeping, at that time we are seeing the dreams, right? It is a natural and it is a possible. But in a daytime also, the day time is just for doing a multitask work. At that time also, if you have started thinking, which is not a part of your work, which is not a part of your work, so that means you are a daydreamers. You are a daydreamers. So in a village, there is a couple who always talk idle talk. Idle talk means what? That a meaningless talk. They always their conversation, which is full of meaningless. So one day what they are decided, that we can buy a cow. We can buy a cow. If we buy a lots of cow, then after we can get lots of milk from that cow, because we'll get the milk from cow. Okay. So the wife is saying, but it means a lot of work. We have to do lots of work. We have to feed the cow, walk them, bath them, nurture them. All the things we have to do. We have to looking after the cow. Then the husband is saying, not to worry. If we have the one cow is enough for us. No need to buy more cow, because one cow can give a plenty of milk. Just think about that. If we have the milk, with the help of milk, we can make a different products like a dahi, like a curd, butter, ghee. All this can we we make with the help of the milk, and that we can store in the earthen pots and we'll keep aside. And then too, if do all this thing, then too we have lots of milk remaining. So that means the extra milk. So the wife is saying, if we have the extra milk, that extra milk I want to send to my sister. That extra milk I want to send to my sister. So here the husband is saying, no, if we have the extra milk, that extra milk I want to be sent in the market. Okay, I will send into the market. And through the market, I will get lots of money. So here, the husband and wife, they really started fighting to each other. So in this story, basically what happens, student, from the starting, the couples are start talking unnecessary and meaningless thing. Okay, they are thinking about the cow, which is not a real. They're thinking about the milk, which is not real. But conversation, but starting the conversation, they come to the quarrel point. They fight to each other, which is a real fact, which is the real fact. They start fighting to each other. Now here, when they are starting to fighting each other, the husband it's throw out the earthen pot very loudly, throwing the earthen pot and is smash to break and crash by violence. When this thing is happen at that time, Gopal Bhand, this is the new character, student, in this story. A new character name is Gopal Bhand. When he passed away from the house, he heard the commotion. Commotion, that means a lots of noise, confusion, and excitement. He heard all these things. When he heard, he come to know all the scenario. He come to know all the story, what has happened between this two husband and wife. And then after, he take a stout stick. He take a stout stick. Stout, that means a stick. He take a stick which is nearby the corner. He pick up that stick and move quickly through the air and making a soft sound. Okay, and he hit it with a great force. Sometimes he move quickly through the air, as you can see in this picture. Sometimes he move quickly through the air, or sometimes he hit with great force on the ground. So while listening this sound, the husband and wife come out from the houses and asking to the question, Gopal, what happened and what you are doing here? So listen the reply of the Gopal very carefully. The Gopal is saying, see, your cow are ruined my your cow ruined my fields. Which fields? Beans and cucumber fields. They are ruined means they are destroying, they are damaged. Okay, they are roaming here and there on my field. And which field it is? Cucumber and the beans field. They are destroy all this thing. And that's the reason I'm trying to away them and try to away them with the help of this stick. Then after husband and wife become very shocked because in their surrounding there is no cucumber and the beans fields are there. So the husband and wife asking the question, but you don't have a field. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers. How can you say this? Said the husband. As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhan stopped building. Gopal Bhan stopped wielding. Wielding, that means moving the stick. He stopped that thing and looked at him with the raised eyebrows. He looked towards the husband and wife, continuously he looked towards the husband and wife. The husband and wife understood what the Gopal Bhan tried to say them. What he tried to say them. If the Gopal Bhan doesn't have the real field of beans and cucumbers, that means the husband also don't have the real cows, milk, and the material and the product which they made by the milk. They don't have the cow, they don't have milk, they don't have the extra milk. So why, what was the reason they are fighting really with each other? There is no reason, there is no purpose to fighting to each other. So, go with the help of this Gopal action, husband and wife understood their, realized their mistake, what they have done. What is their mistake? They are start daydreaming. They are idle talk. That means unnecessary talking. Okay, student. So this is all about our stories, which I explained in short. After this, you all have heard the story. I want now what you learn from the story. What you learn from the story, student. Through the chat, you can reply me what you learn from the story. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay, it's a don't do daydream, all right. Or else what? Not to fight each other, all right. Not to argue on something we don't have. Okay. That means don't argue on something that we don't have, which is not a realistic. Okay. We have learned that don't fight without any reason or without unnecessary reason. Don't talk idle. All right. Okay, okay. Now, student, here we have a new words. Now, for the new words, I want some students can read the new word. Snehal Vagdari. Hello, are you there, Snehal?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Just read the new word.
Idle, meaningless.
Okay, idle.
Meaningless.
It's a idle, beta. Idle.
Idle, meaningless.
Okay, now listen here, Snehal. With the help of meaningless, you have to make one sentence, your own sentence. Just think and say. And next, other students, what you have to do, you have to write this on your notebook now. And you have to show me the book also. Right? Make a sentence with the help of meaningless right now. Snehal, are you ready, beta? Can you make a sentence with the help of meaningful, meaningless? This is not a homework. This is the classwork. Now only you have to do this thing. Okay, Snehal, I think muted herself. Who will able to give me the answer? Okay, Aniket. Aniket, I'll unmute to you. Hello. Hello, Aniket. Yes, Peter, speak up. I can see your mic button is on. Hello. Okay, must be facing some network issue. All right. Next, Samruddhi. Samruddhi, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, beta. Try to make a sentence with the help of meaningless word. Hello, Samruddhi. Yes. Beta, speak up loudly. I'm not able to hear you. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. Sneha Vagdari.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Yes.
She wrote the sentence that was meaningless.
Very good. She wrote the sentence that was meaningless. Very good, beta. Okay, now you can mute yourself. Now I want another student who can read the new words. Jagruti, unmute. Jagruti, read.
Yes, teacher. Tub made of baked clay or mud.
Read next also.
Smash, to break and crush by violence.
Next.
Anticles,
Antics.
silly or unusual ways of behaving.
Okay, unusual way of behaving. Okay, you need little bit practice better. Okay, now with the help of this Arthan, make one sentence.
Autumn.
Yes.
He made autumn pots.
Very good. Good try. You can mute beta. Okay. Next is commotion. Commotion, lots of noise, confusion, and excitement. Student, you can take a screenshot of new words. Next, stove, stick, welding, carrying and using something, switch, move quickly through the air, making soft sound, pound, hit with great force, astounded, very surprised. They become very surprised. Okay. Now, reading. Reading. Now I'll choose the different students for the reading. Prajakta, unmute yourself. Students responded fast. Okay. Let us start reading.
Teacher, lesson number 2. Once there lived a couple who
Spent
spent lots of time in idle talk. One day, they always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows.
Okay. Next, continue.
Buy that means, but that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lots of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife.
Okay, now stop here. Dear, what's your name?
Prajakta.
Prajakta. Okay, Prajakta. Okay. Just tell me, husband and wife, what they are doing?
What, teacher?
What they are doing?
They are looking at daydreams.
They are looking at daydreams. Okay, okay. And what is the meaning of idle?
What is the meaning of idle?
Yes. Just now I told you now what is the meaning of idle. See, most of the students are replied through the chat. See, student, be attentive because in a lecture I can ask you questions. Yes, very good. Very good, Purvaja, Manasvi, Jagruti. That is the meaningless. That is the meaningless. Okay, Prajakta, good try, beta. No, don't be hesitate. Don't be afraid. अगर आपको आंसर नहीं आता है तो टीचर है. Teacher is there to explain you. Okay. Now I want the next student. That is the Durga. Unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, beta. Continue the reading.
Teacher, but think.
Yes, yes.
But think of all the milk will get.
We will get.
We will get if we buy both, said the husband. That's true. The wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Wouldn't I be love? How lucky
Wouldn't it be
that
lovely?
I have all this
earthen pots.
Pot. Kept said.
Kept aside.
I will use one of the pots for milk.
Okay, stop here reading. Stop here reading, beta. Okay. With the help of milk, what they want to be? With the help of milk, which product they want to be produced? Which product they want to be produced with the help of milk?
Which things we make from the milk?
Which things we can make from the milk?
Dahi, butter.
It is given in, yes.
Dahi, butter and ghee.
Yes. So student, in the paragraph, first what I'll do, you have to read the paragraph and then I'm asking the questions. Why? Because in your exam, this will happen. You will get the passage and with the help of passage, you have to solve the questions. Okay. Understood? Now I will stop this.